National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Grand River at Paynesville from this afternoon until Wednesday evening at 7:30 a.m. Tuesday. The stage was 6.8 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by late this afternoon and continue to rise to near 8.3 feet by late tonight. The river will fall below flood stage by Wednesday afternoon. At 8.0 feet, water levels will overrun the banks along the Metro Park south of Paynesville. Vrooman Road will be threatened.